Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change wallpaper on Dell Rugged. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings by going through the start. Here, enter personalization, go for the background, and now you can choose different wallpaper. So switch between different presets like picture, solid color, slideshow, or Windows Spotlight. If you want to set your own wallpaper with your own image, then make sure that you're either in the picture mode or in the slideshow. Now, if you scroll down a bit, there's a choose photo, click on it and then find whichever file you want to set as your wallpaper. There's also option to then adjust how it will fit your desktop, and you can switch it between fill, fit, stretch, tile, center or span it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.